Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make 3D part in AutoCAD, like this part, and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. And now, without wasting time, let's start it. We will sketch this part first. First step, determine use coordinate system in AutoCAD. Click this home icon. Command UCS space Command X space make rotation angle about x-axis is 90 space. See the coordinate change. After that, command circle. Make specify center point for circle is 35.35 space. Make diameter circle is 70 mm. Go to top view. Command line. Click this point right the line, and make the line length is 100 mm. Point up the line, make line length is 8 mm. Point left the line. Command mirror. Click this line, space, click this point for second point of mirror. Click no. Delete this line. Command extend. Click this line, space, and click this line. Command trim, cut this line and this line. Command line, click this point up the line. Make line length is 65 mm. Point left the line, make line length is 135 mm. Point down the line. Command tangent. Click this circle. And now we will make radius in this edge. Command fillet. Command R space. Make fillet radius is 65 mm. Click this line and this line. Command fillet again. Command R. Make fillet radius is 25 mm. Click this line and this line. See, the sketch is ready. Copy this sketch. Merge some line and circle so they can be made into 3D. Command join. Click this circle. Click this line, and this line. See, merge successful. Command trim, cut this line and delete this line. After that, merge this line. Command join, select all. See, merge successful. Go to home view. Command extrude. Click this sketch. Make extrude parameter is 63 mm. See, 3D part is make it. And do the same with this sketch. Command extrude. Make extrude parameter is 16 mm. Go to Visualist Tools. Click this. Click Shape View. See, 3D part is make it. Move this part. Command move. Click this part. Click this point. Drag to this point. After that, combine these two parts. Command union. Click this part and this part. See, the two parts have become one part. And now we will make a hole. Command circle. Click this point. Make circle diameter is 50 mm. Comment circle again. Click this point. Make circle diameter is 22 mm. Move the circle. Comment move. Click this point. Drag into right. Make distance 75 mm. And drag into up the circle. Make distance 40 mm. Move the circle because we are going to cut all the part. First step, making a hole. Command extrude. Click the circle and drag into out of the main part. Do the same thing with the circle. Command subtract. Click this part, space. Click this part, space. See, the hole is making. Do it again. See? And now we will make radius in this edge. With radius parameter is 25 mm. Command fillet. Command R, space. Make radius parameter is 25 mm. Click this edge. Space. See, radius is made in. Make user coordinate system normal again. Command UCS. Go to top view. We will make hole in this area. Command circle. Click this point. Make circle diameter is 20 mm. Move the circle. Command move. Click this point. Drag into right. With distance 75 mm. Drag into up the circle with distance 24 mm. Command extrude. Click the circle and drag out to the main part. Command subtract. Click main part, space. Click this part, space. See, hole is made in. Now the part is ready. I want to change color this part. Click this part, go to properties, click color, choose blue. See, the color is changed. And now we will drawing this part. Right click model, click from template, open title block template 2. OK. Go to layout 3. Go to layout tools, click base tools, click from model space, make scale part is 1 divide 1. Width from view part. Click exit. Click top view and click right view. Click enter. We will insert isometric view. Click base, click from model space, choose NA isometric. Click this drawing, click edit view, choose shape with visible lines, click exit. Command D LI or dim linear. Click this point to this point to know the distance. Command DLA or dim radius. To know radius, we make it. Click the circle. See, we can see the radius. Double click this text. Type exercise. OK. I think it's the end tutorial. I hope you like and enjoy see this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.